Okay. What is that, my gig? So I'm playing. What is this called? Don't press the button. Why are you holding a duck? Okay, we're playing Don't Press the Button with all my friends.
We're all playing Don't Press the Button.
Yay! Finally, everyone's here. Yay! Let's celebrate. Okay.
It's called Don't Press the Button.
And that's Darth.
Okay, let's start.
Hey, you're not the favorite. JK.
I don't know.
Oh, what happened? Did we pull it? Did we pull it? Oh!
What the heck?
Oh, we all wait, that's actually.
Never trust me.
Alright, I guess we evaporated. I guess we all evaporated inside the void.
Where's Kitsune and Darth?
What is that?
Oh.
This is that for someone who you guys. Wait, what? Kitsune.
I'm so
What is this?
I'm stuck outside the thing. Oh, now I fell.
This is super confusing. Oh no, Amber knew it.
Oh, we got you.
Why do we look like that? I don't like the look of
If I just put everything there, that's genuinely how the weapon is. That's just how genuinely the weapon was designed.
No.
Yeah,
What is that?
you died.
Where's the
Where's
button? Oh.
What is up? I am back, y'all.
The lava's rising?
Alright, to parkour. Parkour. Yeah, I suck at parkour. Wait.
Bro, like, that's not fair. Why did we all die? Oh my
I fell on the last. I fell on the last step.
So wait, who didn't die? Ashley
Parkour.
Dummy didn't die.
Click button.
Click. I wanna
She's
click
a
it.
survivor.
Ooh, I'm fast!
Jump to the.
I'm Sonic.
Oh,
I'm jump.
I hate this.
Oh, this is another
Wait,
This feels like the game Ninja Legends. I can't.
look, bro.
So like.
This is no gay. G.
It's Amber.
Guys, I can't. I fell.
Did you say good Asian jump?
Yes, I'm the winner.
No, you're not. Darth was the winner. Oh, I don't know math. Oh,
It's the most. I suck at this.
What the heck? Can you
I suck at shoot. How do you shoot? I can't shoot.
You just click on it.
I can't. I can't. But
You can still just click on it. You just click like X or something.
I can't click on it on the console.
Yes, you can. I play on console too.
But I can't click on it. Like actually, Xbox sucks.
How do you shoot?
Of course,
I have
dummy.
absolutely zero because I couldn't shoot anything.
Me neither.
It's not that deep.
You're not that deep. I should.
Oh, stop calling me Ashley Cry.
Why does the cake have to be a lie? I want the cake.
You want the cake?
It's red light, green light.
Bro, we're like, I suck at it.
Why is Kitsune so fast?
What?
And he's also the only one that survived.
Never die. Unlike the student over here. Okay, whatever.
Okay, you got this, Darth. Oh, never mind. You got this, Amber.
Oh, let's go. Amber Alert, shut up.
Amber Alert is crazy.
Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Why are you saying Amber Alert?
Because you're Amber Alert.
Rest in peace, dog meme.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I can do this. I'm so pro. Oh, I hate this.
No,
I'm so pro.
you was
Bro, I keep that.
Like so fast.
Darth. You was not pro.
What is Bluey Keeper?
What, Darth? What did you get it so fast,
I'm so pro. That's I'm like so.
bro? You was not the monkey. Wait,
What
what?
are these? Oh, it's a snowball fight.
I got you, Kitsune. I'm gonna get you, Kitsune. I'm targeting Kitsune.
Why?
Because
What
you're,
did I do to you?
because you're an ugly
Why
monkey.
is it so fast to reload? I'm gonna smack my controller. Please, I'm begging you. I'm begging mercy.
Okay, I'm targeting you, Bluey, because you're about to die. Let me get you, Amber. Oh, okay.
I should have been by accident.
Be so pro. Like no. I was like so pro. Come here, Ash.
No, you can't kill me. Amber, you can't kill me. Stop kissing the air, bro.
So bad.
I'm coming for you, Darth. Oh, we got one. Yay, everyone celebrate.
I won. Y'all are losers. I'm so pro.
No,
I love you so much.
Oh, okay.
Oh, what is this? I'm like so pro. Like pro. Wait, where am I? Where am I? Did you just go fucking floor again? Bro.
Oh no.
Guys, you're doing such an amazing job.
Really? Really?
Oh, there goes
Bro, I'm
Ash.
sitting on the floor and my booty is
What?
Why are you on the floor then?
Oh no.
Guys, my booty hurts.
Bro, I'm gonna get that in the video. My booty hurts.
My booty hurts.
I'm so laying on the floor because my booty actually hurts.
Bro.
So pro, bro. Again. I'm still here. I'm like so pro. I'm so pro.
Right there.
I fell through the crack. Actually, crack, I fell
Dang, all of y'all died.
Bro!
What is this slow me down?
Oh, I keep on dying.
You don't push me. I should not push me.
What did I do? I was AFK. I was AFK. How did I push that? Are you judging the way I walk? Okay.